Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's tap on it, and since we're in the standard photo mode we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to find the general section and enter the timer, so let's simply tap on this option, and as you can see we've got 4 different setups from which we can choose. So we've got off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, simply tap on the option like to use. As you can see it is immediately notified right here, so after getting back to the camera, all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or any other time you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. The only drawback in this device is that it is not notified right here that we've got the timer set, so you can be surprised if you forget about it. And of course if you want to turn it off, just enter the settings again, tap on the timer and tap on this off option, and from now on your device will again take the photos after tapping on the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.